everyone. A very good morning. This is Dr. Pooja Chaturvedi from Rabindranath Tagore University. Today, here to discuss international marketing research. International marketing research is the combination of three words. First is international, when the person cross the boundaries of their nation, that is called international marketing. Marketing is getting things to the right customer or reaching the customer. It is marketing. And research that means search again and again information and reporting relating to the particular marketing decisions facing company operating internationally or globally. So, international marketing research is the systematic design, collection, recording, analysis and interpretation and reporting of information relating to a particular marketing decisions of a company operating internationally or globally. It is called international marketing research. Now, we cover under this topic the concept of marketing research, the data collection methods, sources of that techniques or methods, some problems or you can say difficulties to collect the data. Contract research is another method of data collection. International MIS, International Marketing Information System, with the conclusion. So let's start with the market research concept. Here, market research is the systematic gathering, recording, analysis, interpretation, presentation of information on problems relating to the marketing of goods and services. It is called marketing research. Here, that marketing research helps reduce the decision making technique in the market also. So, it is all about the market research. Now, the data collection tool or methods. There are two types of data collected in the market research. The first data collection method is primary research and the second one is secondary research. So, information has an important impact on marketing orientation and performance. In the marketing context, marketing researcher refer to two types of research of data to be collected in the primary or in the secondary. So primary research, that data collected by the person or by the own sources, or the secondary research which data is already available in the market in the published form given by the organizations. Here, the primary research techniques: survey, experimentation and observation. The three techniques of data collection in the form of primary research: surveys through questionnaire, and questionnaire collect maybe through mail or telephonic. The field survey conducted to collect the primary data. In-depth interviews to conduct the interviews to collect the primary data, and the custom surveys also can be conducted to collect the primary sources. Experimentation. Experimentation, that means product testing, marketing, field experiments and laboratory testing. Observation. Through observation may collect the primary data also in the market. problems facing in the primary research. So the first problem facing in the primary research, the unwillingness to respond, because the customers or people, they not willing to provide the data. So that is the main problem facing in primary research. Secondly, samples for field survey. The third one is language and their infrastructure. So these are the problems facing in primary research. Now come to the secondary research sources. Here some sources of secondary data which is already available in the market. Government provide the data of secondary, service organizations, electronic information services, SIC codes, some directories available in the market, and international organization also provide the secondary sources, which is published data available on physical form or available on the internet also. Here some difficulties with the secondary research also. Their availability is the main issue. Reliability, to check the reliability that data is reliable or not. So that the another difficulty in secondary research. Comparability of data and the validity of secondary data, that data is validated or not. So these are the difficulties facing in secondary research. Now the another method of to conduct the research, that is called contract research. Contract research, that means when organization hire the outside agency to conduct the research for the market. So that is called the contract research. Contract research may be some agency or third party. So they charge for that particular work or the information. So it is all about the contract research. Now here the International Marketing Information System, or you can say the International MIS, International Marketing Information System, a planned combination of ways and methods for continuous gathering, filtering, analysis, sorting and flow of relevant information for the purpose of marketing decision strategies or decision making techniques. How to perform these? Through information must be gathered through relevancy of the data, usefulness, time is available to marketing management on a continuous basis, reduce risk of making wrong decisions through this MIS, and assess the management identifying opportunities, possible problem areas, shortcomings, and to develop marketing plans. So these are the parameters to helpful from the MIS, International Marketing Information System. Now the international marketing research, to conclude this, international marketing research is play a very important role to collect the data and analyze or interpretation in the form of information relating to particular marketing decisions. Then a more complex than national marketing research. Yes, international marketing research is the complex than national marketing research. Marketing information system also play a very important role in international marketing research, because that provide useful information for decision making and assist the international marketers in making better information decision making. So it is all about the international marketing research. It is very useful for the marketing decision making. Thank you.